Hi everyone, what's up? All good? Great. So, as the contribution period for various open source programs has started, and apart from this, nowadays open source contributions plays a very important role in your resume. Recruiters give very much importance to the open source contributions. So, in this video, we will be seeing that how to make your open source contribution. So by the end of this video, you will be able to make your first open source contribution. Okay, so there are various open source projects that you use in your daily life like Mozilla Firefox, VLC Media Player. So there are various lots of projects which you use in your daily life. Okay, so now the first question arises that how to find an open source project to contribute. So there is a platform called GitHub. So you can go to GitHub, and now how to find on GitHub that project relevant to your skills. So let's say you want to contribute in a project related to React or JavaScript or Java or C++. So just go to GitHub and in the search bar type Java or whatever language you are comfortable with, and then you will get a list of projects which work on Java or React, and then you can simply go to those projects and start contributing. Now, how you can contribute? So first of all, there are two files in the project, readme.md and contributing.md. You can have a look at those files. They have the complete rules how to set up their project, how to contribute in their project. So you should look at those files which have a complete guidance for contributing and setting up their projects. So first thing is that. But if you are very beginner, so let's talk how we can contribute. So first of all, go to their project, fork their repository, and then find an issue. First thing is that many contributors don't know 80% of the code base because their code base is huge. So you just don't get overwhelmed with their huge code base. Just try to get the overview of the project, what is this, what it does, and all. Then go to the issues section and then sort the issues according to the tags like good first issues and beginner friendly issues. Then find and beginner friendly issues. There are various issues like in which you can just there might be an issue related to document or just fixing typo mistake or just writing few lines of code. So there can be basic issue, there can be medium level issue. So if you are a beginner, then just go for beginner friendly issue. So you can start with an issue fixing typos or contributing to their document or just writing few lines of code. Okay, so then you can start with these kind of issues, and then you can simply solve those issues and then create a pull request, and then they will merge your pull request. Okay, so let's stop talking and now see how we can exactly contribute to their project. So this is a very basic repository of clone of Flipkart homepage which have cards on their home screen. So I am taking this repository for showing you how to make contribution to a repository. But if you are taking some open source project, then you should go to the issued section first and then pick a issue from there. Okay, so let's see how we can make an open source contribution. So first of all, we need to start this repository. As I have already started, first I unstarted. So you need to start it and then fork it. What does this fork means? Fork is basically like, first of all, this repository belongs to someone else. Now, while forking this repository, you are making it, you are pulling it to your GitHub. Okay. So like see, IP-170 and clone of Flipkart homepage. Now it belongs to me. Okay. So after forking, we need to pull its code. So copy this link, open a terminal, and just write git clone and that command, and it will give you your repository. Now just move to the directory cd clone of Flipkart page Now just open this code base in the VS Code. Yeah. So now let's see how we can just contribute in this project. Just a second. Yeah. So this is this index.html file which have various cards in this. So at the end, I will just add a new card to it. And change its name, like it's here cricket bats, and I will write here badminton rackets, and remove 30% off that now. Okay, so now we have made some changes to their repository. In the case of some open source project, you just need to make the changes related to the given issue. Now go to here, just write in commit message, added a card of badminton related to your changes, and just commit. Yes, just sync changes, just click oops, taking time. Yeah, so our changes are now on our GitHub. So let's see on our GitHub. Just reload it. So see, this branch is one commit ahead of this, and here we can see our commit message added a card of badminton. Okay, so now we need to create a pull request. Open pull request. Here we can see our changes. So we just need to create pull request, and we can add a description here also. I am writing the same message, added a card of badminton having 30% discount. Okay. Now create pull request, and now this branch has no. Yeah. So now we have created our first pull request. Congratulations to all of you. So after this, the person who belongs to this repository, that is Shiva, will approve my pull request and merge my pull request. Then my changes will reflect to the whole code base. As this is a very basic contribution, but in some cases there might be a case that if you have made a pull request, but the owner will post some comments like you need to make this changes, and this changes. So then you might need to update your changes according to the owner's request. So, but this is the whole process of creating a pull request, and then the owner will approve and merge your pull request in their changes. So this was the whole process by which you can make your first open source contribution. So congratulations to all of you. We have made our first open source contribution. So now don't wait, go ahead, make your first open source contribution. Till then, bye bye guys, see you soon in the next video. Best of luck for your first open source contribution.